tribes and the unity of our nation.
Union Minister of Culture and Tourism Gajendra Singh Shekhawat today visited different tourist spots in southwest Khasi Hills district, including the hot springs in Jakrem, Mauruduk Monolith in Mau Langwir, Sinrang Maurin in Mauten and Rilang River Viewpoint in Mau Ranglang village. The Union Minister also held a review meeting with the officers from different departments in the district at the Circuit House. Maukarwat, in one of his speeches, Shekhawat said that the development of tourism is going to bring a big change in the life of local communities and hoped that in the future, tourism will become a driver of the economy in the northeastern states.
And the development of tourism is going to bring a big change in the life of the local communities. Their economic wealth will rise, their living conditions will be changed, and I wish that in coming future, the tourism will become the driver of the economy of these northeastern states.